just left my house, walking down the street, and suddenly I saw all these ducks. They must have landed here because of the storm, or maybe it's cold here, or a lot of snow. It is winter in New York, and I guess they are just trying to find a spot to rest, or they are finding some kind of food. Pretty cool to see them this close. Yeah, I've never seen these many ducks in one place before. They look so calm, and but I believe they are on a long journey. Nature is amazing. It always finds a way to adapt, even in the coldest weather. I love to see them.